Good afternoon, student. Today we are going to discuss about four dynasty of the Vijayanagar Empire. In the previous part, we have studied the foundation of the Vijayanagar Empire and principal teacher of the Vijayanagar Empire. Who is the founder of the Vijayanagar Empire? Harihara and Pukka. Who is the principal teacher of the Vijayanagar Empire? Vijaya Ranaya. After the Vijayanagar Empire, they have split the four dynasty. What are the dynasty? Sangamam, Saluva, Tuluva and Aravidu dynasty. First, we are going to see about the Sangamam dynasty. The Vijayanagar Empire will be extend from Tungabhadra and Krishna Godavari Delta. That zone will be extend from the Vijayanagar Empire. It will be or extend will be Bamani and Odisha. The two brothers of Harihara and Pukka is the ruling the Sangamam dynasty. After the Pukka's son Kumara Kampan, he entered the Sultan in Madurai and succeed in establishing what is the kingdom there in the Madurai ruling? Nayak kingdom. All of you know the very well. The Madurai is a very famous mall only is there. What is the mall? That's the name is Nayak Mall. Who is there built with the Nayak Magal? Nayak dynasty person. This all the detail about described in the one poem. What is the poem name? Madurai Vijayam. It will be composed by Kumara Kamman Vaya, wife of Ganga Devi. After the Pukka died, whose ruling her territory means Harihara II. Harihara II is the impressive achievement was securing what is the place under Belgaum and Goa from the Bamani kingdom. Harihara's son Deva Raya I defeated what is the king? Gajapati king of Odisha. His successor after who is ruling the Sangamam dynasty? Deva Raya II. He is the greatest ruler of the Sangamam dynasty. He has practiced as soldier new method of the warfare. He is teaching this method here using and defeated for the more kingdom. After the Devaraya II, the Vijayanagar kingdom went through the crisis. Her able commander of Vijayanagar army, what is the name? Saluva Narasimha. This situation he using and started the new one dynasty, that is a dynasty is the Saluva dynasty. He will be last ruler of the Sangamam dynasty. What is the name? Veerabhaskar Raya II. After the end of the Saluva Narasimha dynasty of the Saluva dynasty, one new dynasty is started. That dynasty is called Tuluva dynasty. The one famous ruler of the Tuluva dynasty is Krishna Deva Raya. He resigned and for ruling 20 years, most illiterate ruler of the Tuluva dynasty. What he will be doing after getting the throne of a kingdom, he first step he bring under control the independent chieftains of the Tungabhadra river basin. After succeeding in this effort, his main target next is what is the place? Gulbarga. The Bamani Sultan of Muhammad Shah has been overthrown and kept in the imprison. Imprison means jail. Put the jail. Who's the put the jail? Muhammad Shah. Who's doing like that? Her commander. His commander. So what he will doing the Krishna Devaraya? He will freed with the Sultan and give the throne, restore him the throne. He posed the war on Prataputra, who is ruling in Gajapati ruler of Odisha. He asking to the peace for the Prataputra, but Prataputra neglected his peace. But he will give one offer for the Krishna Devaraya. What is the offer he given? You want marry with a daughter? So accepting this offer, Krishna Devaraya married the daughter of Prataputra. After return to her territory, conquer from the Prataputra. Krishna Devaraya is the assistant of the Portuguese gunner and could easily defeat the Sultan of Golconda and subsequently take the over of the what is the place under Rajpur and Bijpur, the ruler of Bijpur. So using what is the method here using to defeat the Portuguese gunners? One of the gunning method you know that shooting. So Today we are studied what and all? Sangamam dynasty, Sallava dynasty and Tuluva dynasty. Sangamam dynasty, who is the Harihara and Pukka. Who is the son of the Pukka's first son? Kumara Kamban. He written one book, one poem. What is the poem? Madura Vijayam. Who has composed the Madura Vijayam? His wife of Ganga Devi. After the death of the Pukka, who is the ruling? Harihara 2. Next, who is the Devaraya 1? After Devaraya 2, the last ruler of the Sangamam dynasty, Veerabhaskar Raya. After death of the Veerabhaskar Raya, started new kingdom. What is the kingdom? Sallava kingdom. Who is ruling? Narasimhan. After death of the Narasimhan, one new dynasty started. That is the Tuluva dynasty. The Tuluva dynasty, one famous king will be there. What is the name? Krishna Deva Raya. He captured more territory places. So you all study this 3 dynasty. I'll ask question on tomorrow. Thank you, student.